Action! Oh, yeah, it's working well. Oh, yeah. So what do the controls do, Thomas?
This one makes it walk forward like this.
Yeah.
And then this it makes it stop.
Yeah.
This makes it go backwards like this.
Yeah.
And
Right.
this makes it go stop.
Yeah.
And this makes it spin this way.
Yeah.
And this makes it spin the other way.
Yeah.
And this makes it wave.
Ah, yeah.
And this makes it wave the other arm.
Yeah. So what if you do all the controls together, what happens?
It does a dance.
Okay. Can you make it walk into the wall?
Yep. Stop. There we go. And this will make it come forward to me. And this will make it turn so it faces the wall. And this will make it go forwards. And this will keep making it go forwards. And forwards. And forwards. And this will make it go backwards. And turn. And run away. And turn. And come flying back. And this is a button that makes its head spin. And as you can see up here, there are some controls like, I don't know, talk. Hi. And radio. Music. And fart. And I'm just gonna go put it away. So turn and forwards. And break it down.